Please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon button, like, comment, and share.
To provide a comfortable yet positive grip. The CCP M2 measures just over an inch in width, allowing it to easily be concealed, no matter the situation. The soft coil technology uses expended gases from the round fired to reduce recoil. This technology allows the slide to be manipulated easier than other 9mm handguns. The Walther CCP M2 features 3-dot sights, a Picatinny rail, reversible button-style magazine release, ergonomic thumb safety, and a 5.5-pound trigger pull. Cleaning your CCP M2 is easier than ever with the new innovative toolless takedown design, combined with a fixed stainless steel barrel. This allows for easy disassembly and reassembly, simplifying the cleaning process.
Evolution in striker design in order to allow the end user less force to manipulate the slide. Arguably, slide manipulations and racking the slide is one of the toughest things for new shooters and can often be a major deterrent. However, whether you're a new shooter, an experienced shooter, someone looking for a duty-grade firearm, the ability to manipulate the slide with less force is an absolute asset. It's not something we designed into this firearm to be a weak feature or for weaker hands necessarily, but something that benefits a less adept hand benefits us all. So whether you are a new shooter, someone who is working with the firearm under stress, duress, clearing malfunctions, perhaps you have an injury and you need to manipulate that slide, you have the ability to do so.
Walther PPS M2, the ideal carry pistol because it's easily concealed and handles like a much larger pistol. You won't mind spending time at the range with your Walther PPS M2. PPS M2 is chambered in 9mm and comes with 2 magazines. Also available is the Law Enforcement Edition, which comes with all 3 magazines and installed phosphoric night sights. Also new this year is a PPS M2 equipped from the factory with a Crimson Trace laser guard. Your PPS will come in a foam-lined hard case with a chamber flag, a detailed instruction manual, and a DOJ-approved lock. The matte finished Tenifer coated slide has front and rear serrations for non-slip operation, making it very easy to manipulate. On top of the slide you have a loaded chamber viewport for quick status inspection, and on the rear of the slide you have a tactile cocking indicator. The PPS M2 comes with low-profile 3-dot steel sights that are designed for rapid target acquisition, and the rear sight is drift adjustable for windage. One of the many improvements over the PPS Classic is the redesigned frame of the PPS M2. The new ergonomics are in line with the very popular Walther PPQ. The aggressive, non-slip, cross-directional surface will provide you with a perfect fit and great control and confidence while shooting. The trigger on the PPS M2 is ideal for a self-defense or carry pistol. The trigger pull weight of 6.1 pounds combined with a clean break and distinctive reset makes for fast and accurate follow-up shots. The low-profile slide stop and mag release button are ergonomically placed for easy operation even with gloved hands. Weighing in at just over 21 ounces, the Walther PPS M2 is only 1 inch wide, making it easily concealable. The overall length is 6.3 inches with a barrel length of 3.2 inches. Stop by your local Walther dealer and check out the PPS M2 for yourself. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, click the like and subscribe buttons below. From everyone here at Walther.
Thanks for watching. Product buying links are given in the video description.